Okay, so let's start, guys. Okay. So, sige. Okay. Ano muna tayo? Refreshment. Okay, refreshment muna tayo dito para sa mga bago lang dito sa live natin. Refreshment muna tayo. Ano yung diniscuss natin nung episode 1? So, let me know. I-complete nyo yung details. Like, episode 1 na topic natin, ganito, ganyan, ganito, ganyan. So, let me know if may mga may nakakahabol pa sa inyo. So, walang dapat maiwan. So, I believe most of the watchers natin here dito sa live is natapos na yung episode 1. So, hindi na kayo mahihirapan dito sa episode 2. I will make it difficult for you if in-skip nyo yung part na yun. I will really definitely make it hard for you to get it. So, tinuruan ko kayo ng breakup structure, yes. Market structure, yes. Breakup structure, yes. Change of character, yes. MS, hindi ko pa tinuturo ang MS. Change of character and boss. Leverage, market structure, chalk, boss. Yan ang tinuro ko kahapon. Ayan ang tinuro ko nung nakaraan. So, leveraging. Avoid leveraging abuse. Exactly. Risk management. Good. Using leverage, impulse move. Goods. Algorithm. Goods. Ba't wala makitang ano? May mali eh. May kulang kayo. Ayun! Yung trampoline. Sinasabi nila, trampoline daw. Okay? Lahat hindi nakinig. So, trampoline. Okay. So, nakalimutan nyo yung trampoline. So, mali kayo. Okay? So, let's start. So, today, I'm going to teach you the liquidity. Okay? The basic liquidity. Okay? I will teach you the basic liquidity. Okay? So, let's start. So, again, tinuruan ko kayo kung paano mag-search, paano mag-sniping, or mag-snipe ng market structure. And, the change of character and the breakup structure. Tinuruan ko kayo yan. Okay? Ganyan. So, sinabihan ko rin kayo nung nakaraan, okay, sinabihan ko rin kayo nung nakaraan, na meron tayong mga breakup structure above. Okay? Meron tayong structure dito, butas, magkakaroon pa ng mas mataas yan. Okay? And then, may natatandaan ba kayo na sinabi nating quotation when it comes to finding or trading the market structure? Sino nakakatanda nito? Sino nakakatanda niyan? It's a quote. Natatandaan nyo. So, ano yon? Anong tawag dyan? Market structure, right? Ano yung nasa loob? Sir John Lewis, a run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. Exactly. Okay? Exactly. A run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. Good. Actually, guys, pwede kayo mag-comment dyan. Okay? Please. Walang problema dyan. Mag-comment lang kayo dyan. Nakikita ko yan dito. So, yeah. Okay? So, good. Member for the 3 months. Uy, si Sir Miggy. Grabe, 3 months ka na palang member ng FIB OnlyFans. So, appreciate that, Sir Miggy. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-apply ng FIB OnlyFans namin, nandyan lang naman yan. Okay, nandyan lang naman yan. So, yeah. Thank you so much for availing that FIB OnlyFans na naman. Okay, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. So, yeah. A run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. Exactly. So, now, ano to? Impulse move. Impulse wave, impulse move, impulse wave, impulse move, impulse wave, impulse move, impulse wave. Okay? Impulse wave. Okay? That's the algorithm of the market. Okay? That's the algorithm of the market. Now, ano tong nasa taas? Buy side, right? Buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. Okay? Or, impulse move, higher high, higher high. Okay? Ano yung nasa ilalim? Okay? Ano yung nasa ilalim? So, let me know. May mga idea na ba kayo? Ano yung nasa ilalim niyan? Ano yan? Design? Longganisa? Ano? Tocino? So, that's what we call the liquidity or the sell-side liquidity. Yan. Okay? Ito po yung tinatawag natin liquidity. Okay? So, tonight, I'm going to teach you kung paano gumamit ng liquidity or paano maghanap ng entry, take profit ng pinakamadali. Okay? Papakita ko sa inyo yun kung paano yun. Okay? So again, lagi nyo iisipin, market structure all alone, and then yung may mga nabubuong ganito, that's what we call the liquidity. Okay? Yan ang liquidity na tinatawag. So, again, Sir Kip, puro pababa yung example eh. Pataas naman. Sige. Okay, there we go. Market structure all alone. Nasaan yung liquidity? Ito, and ito. Okay? Yan po ang mga tinatawag nating liquidity. So now, Sir Kim, ano po yung logic behind the liquidity? Bakit po nagkakaroon ng liquidity? Alam naman natin, kapag pababa ang presyo, gusto nating i-short ng market. Short. In order to make money while the price is going down. Di ba? So, if sinort mo to, nasa ng stop loss mo? Nasa baba ba? nasa baba ba yung stop loss mo pag sinort mo dito? Diba? Nasa taas ba? Nasa baba ba? Nasaan? Nasaan ang liquidation price nyo kapag sinort nyo ang market dito? Nasa taas. Exactly. So, ayun yung logic. So, isipin nyo na lang, ganon, na nandito liquidation yan. Sir Kim, paano kung may stop loss? Di tanggalin mo yung stop loss, isipin mo, nandito ang liquidity ng mga hayop na yan. Paano may mga matataas na leverage yan? May mga trader na nagma-maximum leverage, tama? So, isipin nyo na lang, kung may stop loss sila dito, okay lang. Pero guess what? Ang tatargetin natin is yung liquidation price nila. Okay? Yun. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung logic why we trade on liquidities or bakit natin tinitake advantage lahat ng liquidities. Okay? So, isipin nyo ito mabuti. Let's say, for example, nag-short si Sir Angelo Domingo right around here. Okay? Let's say, for example, nag-short siya dyan. Okay? Nag-short siya dyan sa areas na to. Tap, there you go, short. As the price go lower and lower, nagpo-profit siya. Okay? Nagiging profitable trader siya. And guess what? Alam naman natin, sa sideline neto is merong ganito. Origin, market structure, again and 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 again. Ganyan. Diba? So now, alam natin na itong mga lows na to is the liquidity. Tama? Yan. Liquidity. So, ang mga ginagawa, wala. So, ang ginagawa ng mga tao is, ayan. So, ang ginagawa ng tao, nag-short sila dito, katulad ni Sir Angelo Domingo, nag-short siya dito kasi balak niya i-take profit sa origin. Okay? So, let's plot the origin. Yan. So, gusto daw niya mag-take profit right around hanggang dito. Okay? Right around hanggang dyan. Or hanggang dito. Okay? Balak daw niya itipi dyan. So, now, again, take a look. Take note. Okay? Mag-take note kayo. Nag-short si Sir Angelo Domingo right around here. Stop loss niya dito. Margin niya 125x. His liquidation is around here. Okay? So, let's say for example, ito liquidation niya. Pero syempre, matalino siya. Hindi siya maglalagay ng walang stop loss. Syempre, may stop loss siya. Matalino siya eh. Okay? Pero, isipin nyo lagi na may liquidation lahat ng bumibili dyan. And, if si Sir Domingo is naka-short, then naglagay siya ng stop loss, maybe out of 100 na nag-trade dito sa areas na to, definitely meron dyan mga 2-3 walang excuse me, na walang stop loss. Tama? Na walang stop loss. So, out of 100 kasama si Sir Domingo, 98 lang sila. 98 or 95 lang sila naglagay ng stop loss. Yung iba, walang stop loss, which is liquidation ang meron. Okay? Hindi nila nilagyan. Why? Kasi confident sila. Gets? So now, nag-short siya, aiming siya dito sa pinakababa. Okay? So as the price go lower and lower and lower, nagiging profitable siya. Okay? So now, what will happen to the price if hindi niya iti-take profit yan or if hindi ka marunong mag-trail stop, break even, move ng stop loss, or whatsoever? Ano mangyayari sa'yo? Take a look at this one. Lower. Oops, dapat nag-break even na yan or dapat nagpa-partials na yan. Diba? And now, let's say for example, gahaman talaga sa pera. Let's say for example, gusto talaga dito. Paano kung ang presyo natin is bumaliktad bigla? Change of character. Again, break of structure. Pa. And then guess what? Yung stop loss niya, tatamaan natin. Okay? Matalino yan eh. Maglalagay ng stop loss yan. So, ang gagawin ng market, tatamaan yung stop loss niyan. And guess what? Hindi lang yun yung target natin. Which is, ang target natin is yung pinaka-konting tao na hindi naglagay ng stop loss, which is their liquidation price is right around here. So, the market tend to find kung saan ang stop loss o kung saan ang liquidation price ng mga lokong yon. So, ang gagawin yan, minsan ba napapansin nyo? Ito yung pinaka-previous high. Ito, let's say for example, ito yung pinaka-previous price. And then, minsan nakikita nyo ang presyo or yung candle, lumalampas pa. Naintindihan nyo? Minsan gumaganito pa. Ganyan. And then, tsaka bababa. So, ibig sabihin, walang lusot to. Naintindihan nyo? Paano walang lusot? Di Sir Kim, sino lang ang makakapag-benefits nito? Which is the people who use low leverage. Kasi ang leveraging nila, 5x, 2x, nandito yon or mas mataas pa dyan. Naintindihan? So, definitely, sila yung mga safe dito. Safe talaga yung position nila. Wala silang risk. Konting-konti lang yung risk nila dito sa trade. It depends on their margin. Don't get me wrong. Don't take my word out of context. Okay? Pero guess what? Yan ang algorithm ng market. Kailangan po talagang i-liquidate yung mga hindi nagtitake profit dito. Okay? So, akala niya kasi babalik dito ang presyo. Okay? Akala niya babalik dito ang presyo. Pero hindi niya alam na merong nagkukos ng change of character sa lower time frame dito. Why? A run on a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. So, lagi niyong iisipin yon. So, dapat kailangan, pag bumabagsak na ang presyo, go break even, take partials, 50%, okay? Partial, go break even, and set trail snap kung ayaw nyo naman mag-partial. Pwede kayo mag-trail snap. Naintindihan? So, yun yung mga ways nyo. So, now, huwag mo sasabihin sa akin na na-stop loss ka dyan. If na-stop loss ka dyan, then definitely, congratulations sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka marunong maglagay ng risk management mo. Okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi ka marunong maglagay ng risk management mo. Okay? Yun lang yun. So, ngayon, pag natapos kayo dito sa mentoring ko, if and only if kayo ay natatamaan ng stop loss nyo, then definitely, ibig sabihin nun, hindi nyo ina-apply yung tinuro ko, or in other case, hindi nyo talaga gusto i-apply. Kaya kayo talaga may stop loss kasi ang turo ko, or ang tinuturo ko dito, is proper risk management ng price action together with smart money concept ni ICT. Pag bumagsak ang presyo, nabasag ang another support, automatic, our stop loss right here will go break even, or trail stop, or partials. So, wag mo sasabihin sa akin na natalo ka. Hindi po pwede yun. Nasa sa'yo yun. Mali mo yun kung ganun ang ginawa mo. Kasi hinayaan mo eh. Diba? Hinayaan mo. Tingnan mo, wala kang ginawa. Oh. Ang ginawa mo, yung $100 mo dito, gusto mo dito. Kasi gahamang ka sa pera ka mo eh. So, ang gagawin mo, nandiyan pa rin ang stop loss mo. Naintindihan mo, biglang gumanon. How many people here, dito sa live, pera na, naging bato pa? Sino dito yun? Putik yan. $500 na eh. Naging negative pa. Sayang, dat pala kinlose ko na. Sino yun? Be honest to yourself. Be honest. Walang masama umamin. Kasi ako, naranasan ko yun. Okay? So, see? Ang dami nyo. Madami tayo. Hindi kayo nag-iisa. So, hindi nyo mali yun. Okay? Hindi nyo mali yun. It's just, hindi pa lang nyo kasi alam kung bakit ganun ang nangyayari. Pera na, naging bato ka. Okay? Masyado kayong greedy. Exactly. Pwedeng ganun. Ako, greedy din ako dati. Hanggang ngayon naman, may pag-greedy pa rin naman ako. Pero still, may risk management na ako. Okay? Again, liquidities. Okay? Liquidities. Take advantage of the liquidities resting below. Hindi nyo malalaman kung anong katabi ng liquidity. Ano ba madalas na nandito? Sa tingin nyo? Guys, anong meron dito? Sige, sagutin nyo. Ano kadalasan na meron dito sa area na to? Okay? Exactly. It's either fair value gap, imbalances, or order block, supply and demand. So now, huwag mo sasabihin sa akin na dito ka magte-take profit, eh kung may nakita kang order block dito, haharangan yan. Naintindihan mo? Or clean traffic. Exactly. Meron pang clean traffic dyan. Okay? So, if you get what I mean, type Y na chat. So, dapat ganun kayo mag-isip sa market. Okay? Ganun kayo dapat mag-isip sa market. Okay? So, now, let's move on. I will give you another example. Sir Kim, market structure. Ano to? What is this? Ano to? Ano to? Design? Okay? Ano to? Hayaan nyo na lang? Exactly. That's change of character. Now, what will the price will do? Anong gagawin ng price? Babalik. Saan? It's either order block, supply and demand, imbalances, clean traffic. Wala akong pakialam. Okay? And then, what will happen next? Short. Short. Trade. Short. Where's your take profit? Yung iba sa inyo, gumagamit pa ng fair value, ng what do you call this? Gumagamit pa sila ng Fibonacci. Okay? Which is, wala namang mali doon. Okay? Walang mali. Gumagamit sila ng Fibonacci. Okay? Something like this one. Gagamit sila ng Fibonacci. Okay? In order na malaman kung saan tong mga areas na to. And dyan nila ito-take profit yan. Okay? Now, bibigyan ko kayo ng pinakamadaling way na kaya nyo mag-take profit sa pinaka matigas na way or pinaka magandang areas para ma-take profit nyo ng sapat ang position nyo nang hindi gumagamit ng Fibonacci. That's why I love using liquidity kasi hindi ko na kailangan gumamit ng Fibonacci. No, hindi ko kailangan gumamit niyan. Okay? So, if kayo curious kayo sa Fibonacci and all that, so maybe, itong ituturo ko ngayon will change your perspective in market kasi ang liquidities is possible, same areas lang din yan ng what? Fibonacci. Now, Fibonacci, let's say for example, ito sinabi ng Fibonacci. So, let's go to the, let's go here. Okay, let's go here. Kay S&P 500. Now, tingnan natin na mabuti. So, there we go. Swing high. Yan. Tingnan nyo mabuti ha. From swing low, kahit nga dito lang, ito, swing high. From swing low to swing high, move to the 5 minutes time frame. Tingnan natin na mabuti. There we go. Swing low. Swing high. Or here. Pwede din dito. Mas maganda dito. Swing low. Swing high. This is their levels. Gets? Sabi dito, pwede kayo mag-position sa fair value gap right around here and take profit the rest of the what? Levels of Fibonacci. Pero guess what? Alam natin, kung tatanggalin natin ang Fibonacci, iiwan lang natin ng fair value gap right around here. Alam nyo kung ano tong mga to. Again, ano tong mga to? Diba? So, answer that. Ano to? Ano to? Ano to? And, guess what? Ano to? Type Y na chat. Let me know if nagigets nyo. Kahit hindi kayo gumamit ng Fibonacci, kaya nyo malaman saan kayo magte-take profit. Are you going good? Are you doing good? Nagigets nyo ba? As simple as that. Sabihin nyo, Sir Kim, ano ba? Sir Kim, ano ba yan? Again, ano ba to? Diba? Ano ba yan? And I guess what? I believe ito siya in transparency. Is that a liquidity? Is that a buy side liquidity? Is that a take profit area when we have a change of character? Yes. So now, ano hintayin nyo? Change of character, break of structure, fair value gap, imbalances, order block, supply and demand, then long. Where's your take profit? Wala kang pakialam. Ito. Gumamit ka ba ng Fibonacci? Gumamit ka ba ng Fibonacci? Kahit anong tool? Para malaman mo kung saan ka magta-take profit? Definitely hindi. So type Y na chat if na-gets nyo kung paano gumamit ng liquidity. That's what you call the buy side liquidity kasi nasa taas. If sell side liquidity naman, syempre ilalim yon. Okay? So, let me know if naintindihan nyo. Gets ba? Let me know. May mga nakagets ba? Let me know. Okay? Let me know kung may nakagets. Okay? Magbibigay pa ako ng maraming example ngayon. Okay? Mitigation. Guys, I will not give you some difficult terms and condition para mag-gets nyo yung mga bagay-bagay. If may mga alam na kayo regarding mitigation blocks, supply and demand zones, and whatsoever, okay lang yon. I-discuss natin yung later on. Pero, guess what? Ang gusto ko lang ipahiwatig sa inyo is yung pinaka-basic way na mas maiintindihan ng tao as much as possible kasi I will not make it difficult for you to understand everything what I'm saying. Okay? Hindi ko papahirapan kayo. Hindi ko kayo papahirapan. If gusto nyo kasi na pinapahirapan kayo, then definitely go find another mentor na bibigyan kayo ng scientific explanation, encyclopedia, para maintindihan nyo lang yung isang bagay. Pero, I can teach you liquidity in less than 2 minutes, 5 minutes, na mas maiintindihan nyo as much as possible. Mas gusto ko yun. Again, ako ang nagtuturo dito. Ako masusunod kung papahirapan ko ba kayo o hindi. And guess what? Gusto kong padaliin lahat sa inyo. Para maisip nyo. Okay? Para maisip nyo ngayon kung gaano kahirap yung ginagawa nyo before. Na, ganito lang pala dapat. Ganito lang pala dapat intindihin niya. Napakasimple lang pala. Pinahirapan ko pa sarili ko. Yun yung gusto ko ma-realize na. Okay? So for now, I want you to understand. I want you to focus on liquidity. Okay? Liquidity. So now, again, let's review. Long position, take profit. Kahit nga dito ka lang mag-take profit, tumaya ka lang ng malaki, di ba? Tapos ka na eh. Di mo na kailangan itong ganitong kalaking movement. Di ba? Ganun lang kasimple. Again, another example. Market structure. See? There you go. Fair value gap. Ano to? Liquidity. Anong ginawa ng presyo? Again, ulitin ko. Market structure. Pak. Ano to? Do you have a fair value gap right around here? Sa pool? Ano to? Breakup structure? Do you have another fair value gap here? Do you have another fair value gap right around here? Sabihin natin hindi ka nakapag-position dito kasi malas. Hindi mo nakita kasi nga nagti-TikTok ka. Sayaw ka ng sayaw. Okay? Hindi mo nakita. Sayaw ka kasi ng sayaw. Ito na lang naabutan mo. Saan ang take profit mo? Ano to? Ano to? Liquidity. That's the sell side liquidity. And does it make sense na sinabi ko kanina na may mga nag-long position dito at ang liquidation price niyan is somewhere nandito and ang stop loss niyan is somewhere nandito. Sino ba naman bobo ang maglalagay ng stop loss dito kung saan sila nag-position? Siyempre malayo yun. So, siyempre, ang market, matalino yan. Alam na nila yung ginagawa mo. So, now, sobrahan nila yan. And guess what? Ayun, oh, wala kang ligtas. Kung nandito man ang liquidation mo, di ka naglagay ng stop loss, simot ka pa rin. Wala kang magagawa. Yan ang gustong gawin ng market. And hindi mo maliligtas, hindi mo maiisahan yan. Type Y na chat if you get what I mean, if naintindihan nyo na kung paano gumamit ng liquidity. Okay? So, simple as that. Okay? Kung gusto nyo, maghanap din kayo sa sarili nyo, maghanap kayo dyan sa mga chartings nyo. Plot that one. Market structure all alone, change of character all alone, fair value gap all alone, support and resistance. There you go. Gumamit ka ba ng Fibonacci? So now, so again, paano kung gagamit kami ng Fibonacci? So again, do it the same. Gawin mo rin. Ulitin mo lang. Ulitin mo lang. See? Levels. Pero, sinobrahan pa nga. Diba? Slow learning ako, Sir Kim, pero ba't ang dami ko natutunan sa iyo? Kasi nga, binibigyan mo yung time mo ng sarili, binibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng time mag-aral talaga. And guess what? Dedication mo mag-aral. So, nandito ka ngayon. Diba? So, nandiyan ka ngayon. So, what if, Sir Kim, ano ba yung mga common mistake ng Fibonacci? Ba't maraming tao gustong gumamit ng Fibonacci, pero marami din nag-fail na makapag-take profit or maging profitable using Fibonacci? Why? Because dahil sa mga ganitong scenario. Tingnan nyo. From swing high to swing low, cause of breakup structure, plot the Fibonacci, OTE. Tignan nyo, minsan kadalasan ng tao dito nag-aim ng position. And guess what? Dun pa lang palyado na. Hindi na sila nakapag-position. And guess what? If makakapag-position naman kayo sa fair value gap, eto sasabihin na take profit. Yung mga areas na to. And guess what? Tignan nyo, hindi kadalasan or hindi sa lahat ng oras tinatamaan. Gets? Naintindihan? Type Y na chat if naintindihan nyo. See? Get what I mean? Hindi kadalasan tinatamaan. So, mas maganda mag-base kung saan nanggaling ang presyo. Which is, ano tawag natin dito? That's a liquidity. So, now you get it. Now you know, Gets nyo na? So, that's liquidity. Oh, Sir Kim, is that smart money concept? Nasa smart money concept ba tayo? Yes. Okay? Yes. Okay? Again, that's liquidity. Okay? That's what you call liquidity. Sir Kim, last question. Oo nga, may liquidity. Pero paano namin masasabi na pwede na namin siyang i-short, i-long, i-short, i-long, i-short, i-short, long, long, long? Get your pen and paper. Lagi niyong tatandaan, kapag may market structure kayo, all you need to do is find the two areas na sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon. Okay? Ready na? Well, it's nothing special. Go find the change of character and go find the breakup structure. Simple as that. That's the key. That's the cheat engine na you may have for the rest of your trading journey. Type Y na chat if you get it. That's it. Nothing secret. Walang secret. Walang sekreto dyan. That's it. Hanapin nyo ang change of character and breakup structure. That's the end of your trading. That's it. Okay? Malino ba lahat? Simple as that. change of character, and break of structure. Pag nakita nyo yung dalawang yon, that is the time proven and tested that the price will reverse. That the price will reverse. Intindihan? Again, more examples, Sir Kim. We need more examples. That's a market structure. Okay? That's a market structure. That's a change of character. Okay? And guess what? As you can see here, pag bumabagsak pa to, that's a break of structure. Naintindihan? Now, the price tend to do na may fair value gap somewhere around here and here. You have two options to position. And guess what? That's the liquidity na nag-aabang sa'yo para sa take profit area mo. Type Y na chat if you get what I mean. See? Did I explain it very simple way as much as possible? Some people will explain to you how liquidity work in 10 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour. I'll explain to you in minutes. And still, may intindihan nyo. Okay? Next, Ryan TV. Sir, nagme-mentor ka rin ba? And how much kung oo? Yes po, nagme-mentor tayo. And guess what? I will not tell you the price kasi hindi kita inihikayat na magpa-mentor sa akin. Ang mini-mentoran ko lang po is yung mga taong walang time matuto, and may mga trabaho, napaka-busy. Yun lang yung time na pwede kitang tanggapin sa mentoring ko. Pero if may time ka naman pala mag-aral, then definitely hindi kita papapasukin sa mentoring ko. Okay? Hindi ko kailangan ng mentoring students. Kailangan ko yung willing matuto. If may willing ka matuto, wala ka talagang time, gusto mo matuto, then definitely I will happy to accept you in my mentoring. Pero if may time ka naman pala mag-aral, then definitely go here. Manood ka sa YouTube ko. And definitely everything here is for free. Wala kang babayaran. And guess what? I will prove it to you na nag-work talaga yan. I will prove it to you live. Okay? Sa mga nagsasabing hindi nag-work yung tinuturo ko, guys, I'm doing it live. Maybe hindi ka lang nanonood. That's why you can say it na nag-work. Pero guess what? I'm doing it live for the last, I don't know how many months. Nakalimutan ko na. I lose track. Okay? I lose track of everything. Kung gaano katagal na kami nagtitrade here live. I believe May kami nag-start. And guess what? If you want me to prove to you na nag-work ang trading namin, definitely go count that one. All-time trading statistics since noong May 2022. We have 123 trades, win trades, 5 break-even, 12 losses. That will take us to 87.68 winning rate. And guess what? Kung hindi ka naniniwala, then definitely marami kang papanoorin na live ko to get kung paano namin tinrade lahat ng yan. Okay? So, sa mga nagsasabing hindi nag-work to, then definitely go watch the live. Tignan nyo mabuti doon. Okay? Bantayan nyo kung gusto nyo. Pero guess what? I'm just saying to you, everything I'm teaching here is free. Everything is for free. Wala kayong babayaran. All you need to do is have time, get your pen and paper to take notes, everything what I'm saying. Okay? So, yeah. And guess what? Starting September, okay, sa mga bago dito, disclaimer lang sa mga bago, kasi dati, hindi namin nilalagay yung profit namin. Okay, basta panalo, nilalagay namin, kinoconsider ko as win. Kasi ayoko ilagay yung win, yung panalo, kasi nga baka isipin ng tao na ganoon din yung kaya nilang kitain. And alam niyo naman, I hate flexing money, I hate flexing trades. Kasi nga, hindi naman ganun kadali talaga ang trading. Baka isipin kasi ng ibang tao na nanonood, lalo na yung mga OFW, feeling nila ang dali-dali ng trade, feeling nila kayang-kaya nila. So, ang gagawin nila, magpapamentor sila, mag-a-avail sila ng kung ano-ano para lang mag-trade, gayahin yung ginagawa ko. And guess what? They end up failing kasi nga, hindi naman madali ang trading. Iisipin nilang madali kasi nga, nagawa ko. So, now, hindi ko ginawa yan since May hanggang nung August. Pero nung September, nagkaintindihan na kami lahat, okay? Meron kaming agreement sa isa't isa. Lahat ng mga nanonood dito sa live is, ito is for motivational purposes na lang ninyo. Para masabi ko sa inyo na kahit hindi kayo araw-araw mag-trade, kaya nyo pa rin kumita. Ako kasi hindi na ako araw-araw nagta-trade ng live. Yan, hindi na ako na araw-araw nagla-live. Pero guess what? How many trades are we in September? For the month of September, it's September 20. Hindi naman ako araw-araw nag-trade. Dapat nasa 20 din yung trades ko, pero hindi naman. Guess what? I have 13 trades live on YouTube. 1 losses. And tignan nyo kung magkano yung profit. And guess what? Bukod pa dyan yung kinikita ko during off-live kasi hindi ko na kailangan ipakita yun sa inyo kasi nga hindi naman nyo nakikita. So definitely, sa akin na lang yon. And gusto ko yung live. Gusto ko yung live na nakikita nyo as traders. Yung gusto ko makita nyo. Okay? So, yep, that's pretty much it. So, again, everything here is for free. If naghahanap kayo ng mentor, then definitely, kailangan nyo i-consider yung dalawang sinabi ko. Dapat may time ka, dapat wala kayong time mag-aral, Kasi nga busy kayo, and dapat may trabaho kayo, or estudyante kayo, wala talaga kayong time, pero still, willing kayo matuto. If meron kayo nung dalawang yon, then definitely that is the only time na pwede kayo mag-apply ng mentoring. Hindi sa akin, pwedeng sa iba. Okay? Pwedeng sa iba. Yun lang. So, yun lang naman. Okay? Pero if may mga time pala kayo mag-aral, then definitely, punta na kayo sa YouTube. Ang dami nyo pwede panoorin dyan. Hindi ko naman sinasabing ako lang panoorin nyo sa YouTube. Napakadaming tao dyan sa YouTube na nagtuturo ng training. Okay? Pero I'll make it simple to you. Okay? So, ayan. So, ayun lang naman. Saan yung first episode, coach? Hindi ko napanood nung nakaraan. So, definitely, go quit this live. Mag-quit ka na dito sa live ko. Panoorin mo muna yung episode 1 kasi hindi mo maintindihan to. Okay? Time management lang, coach. Good. Yeah. Ako, coach, at malaki-laki na rin yung tuition fee. OFW here, pero di sumusuko. Pag nagkatrabaho ka ulit, coach, ako nga, mas madali. Coach, naliligo ako habang nakikinig sa'yo. Coach, pakisagot naman po ng tanong ko para makapagsabot na ako, coach. Ano ba tanong mo? Nakalimutan ko. Coach, okay din po ba sa Fair Valley Gap magantay ng position kapag may BOS na po? Yes po. Okay? Which is, ituturo ko din yun today. Kung paano nyo hihintayin yung position nyo sa Fair Valley Gap. Okay? So again, last example ko na to para sa liquidity. There we go. If gusto nyo ng precise na explanation regarding liquidity, then better watch out. Pwede kayo manood ng ibang videos dito sa internet para mas masimplify nyo kung kulang pa yung information na ibinigay ko sa inyo. Marami kasi example ng liquidity. May mga ganito. Yan. May ganyan. Okay? May ganyan. And then bigla ulit magkakaroon ng impulse move. Okay? And guess what? Again and again, sabi ko sa inyo, liquidity yan. And guess what? Liquidity to, pero may mga natitira kasi dyan. Possible order block tong areas na to. Kaya ibabounce lang. Kaya nga diba sinabi ko sa inyo, always take partials. Always take break even. Always take trade stop. Para ma-maximize nyo. Kasi hindi nyo alam kung bababa pa ba yan hanggang doon. Kasi wala nakakaalam. If may nakakaalam sa inyo, then luluhod kaming lahat sa inyo. Pero wala. Okay? I believe wala. Hindi sana kung may nakakaalam yan, dapat lahat may lumilipad na ng kotse ngayon. Okay? Wala. Okay? Sinabi ko sa inyo, take advantage of the liquidity ng market. Always take advantage of the liquidity of the market. Let me know, type Y na chat if okay na sa inyo yung liquidity. If may questions pa kayo regarding liquidity, let me know. Type nyo lang dyan. Type Y na chat if naintindihan nyo yung liquidity. So, tapos na tayo sa liquidity. So, see? Add nyo na yan sa notebook nyo. Liquidity, check. Diba? So, ganun lang. Sir Game, paturo naman ng Fair Valley Gap. That's the next one. Huwag kayong madali. Diba? Almost 200 viewers na ba tayo? Oh, nga no. Almost 200 viewers here sa live. Thank you so much for watching the live, guys, and liking the live. So, please like na lang ng live natin, guys. Pa-like na lang ako nyan. So, ooh! How many subscribers are we? Wow! 8,509 subscribers, guys. Wow! Wow! So, 8,509 subscribers, guys. Wow! Dami na natin. So, thank you so much, guys, sa pag-subscribe here sa channel natin. Almost there. We're almost there, guys. In no time, we're almost there. Grabe, September. It's good. Yes, sir. 8,509 subscribers. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. So, yeah. Okay. Good. So now, ititrick natin yung mga tao. Nasa 1 hour mark na tayo ng live natin. So, if kayo, nanonood kayo ng replay dito sa live natin, i-comment nyo, ano kaya maganda ipa-comment sa kanila, guys? Ano maganda ipa-comment sa mga tao na nanonood ng replay na itong live natin? Para malaman natin if talagang tinatapos nila yung live. Para malaman natin if nag-i-skip ba sila or what. Lodicoin! Comment Lodicoin. Ayan, si Lodicoin. Lodicoin. Si Lodicoin. Ayan, Lodicoin. Bagsak nga pala si Lodicoin, no? So, ayan. comment nyo lang, Lodicoin, kung still now nanonood pa rin kayo ng replay. If nanonood kayo ng replay, then definitely, I really do appreciate it. Okay? And marami pa kayo matututunan. Lodicoin. Ayan, Lodicoin. Yung Lodicoin nyo, naging Logi coin na. Logi coin. Nalugi na yung coin nyo. Diyos ko, kawawa. Ayan, comment nyo lang, Lodicoin, if nanonood kayo now. So, okay. Now, I'm going to teach you how fair value gap works. Are you guys ready? Type Y in the chat if you guys ready for the fair value gap. I know some of the people here alam na yung fair value gap. This will be a refreshment for them. Pero sa mga bago naman, this will be a new thing to you. Okay, fair value gap. So type Y in the chat if willing na kayo matuto ng fair value gap. Okay? So now, meron akong dalawang PDF file na hindi nyo makikita sa kahit saan. Only the mentoring students have this one. Okay? This one. Meron akong dalawang file neto. Ayan. So, meron akong dalawang file neto, PDF file, kung paano hanapin ang tradable order block and tradable fair value gap and tradable imbalances and liquidity using fair value gap. Okay? Yung isang page, yung isang PDF file contains only 9 pages and yung isa naman contains 4 pages. How sick is that? Ginagawa kong konti as much as possible kasi ayoko nung pagkabukas mo ng file, makikita mo 185 pages. So, tatama rin ka kaagad. Pero kung konti yan, tatapusin mo yan. Naintindihan? So, type Y in the chat, guys, if magpo-proceed na tayo sa fair value gap. So, this will be a fair value gap mentoring now. So, now, may liquidity na tayo. Now, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa fair value gap. Good. So, now, this is the fair value gap. So, now, dito muna tayo. Ano daw yung contents nito? Ano daw yung mga content nito sa loob? Ano daw yung laman na itong fair value gap na file natin sa loob? So, meron tong fair value gap means, okay? FVG means fair value gap. ICT, fair value gap, ang tawag dyan. Meron tayong displacement high and displacement low na ituturo ko din ngayon. And the market structure shift na ituturo ko ngayon. Okay? So, ito daw po yung example ng bullish fair value gap. Okay? Ito daw po yung example ng ano yung tawag dito? Ng bullish fair value gap. So, wait lang, nawawala yung isang screen. Nawala. Ayan, okay. Ayan, okay, good. So, ito daw po yung example ng bullish fair value gap. Ayan, okay? So, again, downtrend consolidation, and then bigla po nagkaroon ng 3 soldier candlestick na malalaki, and merong gap sa gitna. Okay? Merong gap. Kaya nga fair value gap eh. Kumbaga may konting uwang lang siya. Sapat na sapat lang, hindi sobra, hindi kulang, sapat lang. That's what we called it, fair value gap. Naintindihan? That's fair value gap. Dapat ipa-platin nyo siya dun sa closing and opening, closing ng candlestick or yung highs and lows ng candlestick. Doon siya po nilalagay. So, what if po, ang fair value gap natin is ganito. So, ito po yung, let's say for example, ito po yung red candlestick. Ayan. And then, meron po ditong previous candle. Ay, sorry. Ito nga. Ayan. So, what if may previous candle po dyan na dalawa? Ayan. Magkabilaan po. And what if po, yung, ano nila, yung candle nila is nakaganito. Ayan. And then, meron po, yung isa naman po is nakaganito. Ayan. Masasabi ba natin siyang fair value gap? Pagka ganyan yung scenario. O sige, kumpletuhin natin para hindi kayo mahirapan. Okay? Para maging precise na lang din. Para sa iba. Ayan. Matatawag nyo ba siya as a fair value gap? No. Bakit? Nasaan yung gap? Wala nga gap eh. Ano yung pabaliktad? Paganto? Ano yung hilo? Ano ba hilo? Ayan ba ang fair value gap sa'yo? No. Okay? Hindi yan ang fair value gap. Ang fair value gap po is dapat may uwang yan sa gitna na dapat tinatamaan yung body ng candle. Okay? So, parang ganito. Yan. So, if may makita kayong ganitong candlestick, then definitely that will be your fair value gap. Itong kabilaan na to. Dapat balance eh. Tama, yeah. Dapat balance siya. Okay? So, yan po ang fair value gap. Naintindihan? So, yan ang fair value gap. Okay? Unfair value gap daw yun. So, yan po ang fair value gap. Sir Kim, what if naman po ganito? Yan. And ito. Ma-consider pa ba to guys as fair value gap? Let me know nga. Consider pa ba to as fair value gap? O sige, bababaan ko pa to. Ayan. Consider pa rin ba siya as fair value gap? Let me know. Consider pa ba? Correct. Consider pa. Mas okay nga yan. Mas okay yan pagka ganyan. Okay? Mas okay to. Sapat na sapat yan. So, that's a good fair value gap. Wow. O, see? Tatalino nyo. Hindi ko na kailangan na explain. So, now, let's move back. Ito naman daw yung example ng bearish fair value gap. Common sense. Pabaliktad lang. So, pula naman ngayon. Get it? For sure, hindi kayo slow learner. Lahat kayo makakasunod. Fair value gap. Now, let's move to market shift or market structure shift. Okay? So, now, nagkakaroon tayo ng displacement high and displacement low. Ano yon? Okay? Ano yung displacement high and displacement low? Guys, napakasimple. That's liquidity. Okay? Iba lang ang term. Pero, pwede nyo sabihin to as liquidity. Buy side and sell side liquidity. Gets? Type Y na chat if nagigets nyo lahat. Let me know. Lahat kayo, let me know if nagigets nyo na. Buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. Tinuro ko yan. Market structure to. Intindihan? Good. Now, ang sinabi dito, meron daw displacement high and meron daw displacement low. Okay? And tignan nyo. Dito daw nagpapakita ang fair value gap sa areas na to. Or dito. Diyan daw nagpapakita yung fair value gap. Okay? Again, ito naman daw yung isang example ng bearish market shift structure. Displacement high, liquidity, displacement low, liquidity, sell side liquidity, and pwede nga itong change of character, di ba? Break of structure. Pwede, di ba? See? It makes sense? Does it make any sense? Make sense na ba para sa inyo? Mas malinaw ba? Kasi alam nyo na yung liquidity. See? Mas madali. Much better. See? Mas madali. Mas madali nyo maintindihan. And sinabi ko dito daw nagpapakita yung fair value gap. Right around dito sa areas na to. And guess what? This is a good example of that. To check where the take profit area and stop loss, please visit or please see my other PDF file titled How to Identify Tradable Fair Value Gap Using Order Block Imbalance and Liquidity. Now, this is the example. Market structure. Ano to? Displacement high and displacement low. Where's your fair value gap? Inside. Naintindihan? Let me know. Naintindihan nyo ba? So, that's a displacement. And guess what? There's a fair value gap. Bumalik ang presyo sa fair value gap. Guess what? Anong gagawin mo? Tutunganga ka na lang? Then, congratulations, tutunganga ka lang. Short. Type massive Y chat in a chat. Type massive Y in a chat, guys. Kung ready na kayo, ipakita ko sa inyo yung example. Nagigets ba ng lahat? May nalilito pa ba? Let me know kung may nalilito pa. Diba? Pakadali ng fair value gap. Sige, pwede na kayo mag-type Y in a chat. If ready na kayo, if naiintindihan nyo na lahat, if gets na nyo na ba lahat? See? Napakadali. Mahirap ba yan? Definitely, I did teach you how fair value gap in just 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Basic. Nakita nyo yung algorithm ng learning nyo. Kapag dun kayo nagsimula sa basic, pataas. Hindi nagiging mahirap. Naintindihan nyo? Pero pag nag-skip kayo ng part, mahirap. Okay? So, next. Here's my last tip. Okay? Last tip ko to, ha? Here's my last tip for fair value gap. Find the bias of the day. Punta ka sa daily time frame, 6 hour, 4 hours, to check if bullish and bearish ba yung movement ng market. Next. Find the market structure. Always remember, a run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. See? Nakita nyo ba? A run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. Masterin nyo ang change of character and break of structure. Yan ang sinabi ko. Masterin nyo ang change of character and break of structure. Guys, ito, let's be honest to each other. Okay, let's be honest to each other. Let me share something to you. Noong nag-i-start ako mag-trade, hirap na hirap din ako. Bakit? Kasi hindi ko alam ang change of character, hindi ko alam ang break of structure, hindi ko alam yung market structure, hindi ko alam yung term na run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. Pero, alam mo ba, na kahit hindi mo aralin tong fair value gap ko, liquidity ko, or whatsoever, kahit market structure lang ang alam mo, break of structure and change of character, yung tatlo na yon, kahit yun lang tatlo ang alam mo, kayang-kaya mo mag-trade. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Let me know. Type Y na chat if naniniwala kayo doon. Kasi ako, naniniwala ako doon. Change of character is the key. Yan ang key. Market structure is the key. Break of structure is the key. Yung tatlo na yon, yan ang fundamentals nyo when it comes to trading. So, wala akong pakialam kung ano pang aaralin nyo sa susunod. Pero ang sabi ko sa inyo, masterin nyo yung tatlong yan. If mamamaster nyo yung tatlo na yan, then definitely, you're free in a wild of trading. Okay? You'll be free in a wild of trading. Okay? So, yun ang sinasabi ko lang dito. So, let's go back. Order block. Okay? Sinabi ko dito, order block is not a position guide here. Always remember, order block is changing state of delivery. Hindi ako nagsabi niyan. Si ICT na nagsabi niyan. Yung mga nakikita niyong ways kung paano tinitrade ang order block, hindi ganun gamitin ni ICT yon. Okay? Hindi ganun gamitin ni ICT yon. Ang sabi niya, order block is a changing state of delivery. So, pwede yung maging sangkalan ang order block. Hindi siya pwedeng pagposisyonan. Mas maganda, mag-position tayo sa fair value gap, pero mayroong dapat na resting order block sa taas in order to prove na talagang hindi niya kayang basagin yon. That's order block. Bloke yan. Okay? Pader yan. Yun ang isipin nyo. Okay? Well, I will explain it further kung ano talaga ibig sabihin ng changing state of delivery. Pero, tignan nyo to. Fair value gap is showing after change of character. Lagi nyo tatandaan na, fair value gap, okay. Ay, wala ba sa screen? Ito, sorry. Ayan. Order block is not a position guide here. Always remember, order block is the changing state of delivery. Sorry. Okay? Next. Fair value gap po is showing after change of character. Actually, that's the keyword. Ang fair value gap po is nagpapakita after change of character. Okay? After change of character. Next. Lastly, ito yung last na tip ko ha. Fair value gap is lagi daw malapit sa order block, sell side liquidity, and support and resistance. Type Y na chat if you get what I mean. If na-gets nyo na kung paano ngayon mag-snipe ng fair value gap. Okay? Type Y na chat. So, there you go. See? Simple as that. Di mahirap yan. Well, some people will teach you fair value gap for at least 3 days para maintindihan nyo lang. And here, I will explain it to you in minutes na mas maintindihan nyo pa na mabuti. Hindi ko kayo papahirapan. Sabi ko na sa inyo, kayo nagpapahirap sa sarili nyo, hindi ako. Okay? Kayo nagpapahirap dyan, kaya hindi kayo maging kaya nahihirapan kayo maging profitable trader kasi pinahirapan nyo sarili nyo kung ano-anong ginawa nyo. Okay? Hindi kayo, nag-jump kasi kayo ng process eh. Nag-ano muna kayo, nag-smart money muna kayo bago mag-price action. Diba? So, yeah. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple yun. So, now, let's move on. Okay? Let's move on. Now, hanapin ngayon natin yung fair value gap na sinasabi ko sa mismong chart. Okay? Again, market structure. Okay? Market structure. There you go. There you go. Find the buy side and sell side liquidity or displacement. There we go. A buy side. And then, displacement. Naintindihan? Displacement or change of character. So, kung gusto nyo lagyan pa ng mga quotations yan or whatsoever annotations, feel free to. That's a change of character. Buy side and sell side. Ano magpapakita dito? Fair value gap. Naintindihan? Fair value gap. Okay? And guess what? Pwede nyo lagyan ng box or kahit anong man. That's a fair value gap. Ngayon, it will make sense sa inyo kung bakit lagi dinodrawing ng mga tao is ganito daw, ganyan, and then lagi nyo nakikita pag nagkaroon ng change of character, binabanat nila pabalik, and then gaganon. Ngayon, may intindihan nyo na kung anong meron or anong nangyayari sa areas na ito. Type Y na chat if naiintindihan nyo na ngayon kung bakit may pullback. That's a cheat. That's your cheat engine. See? Simple ba? Madali ba? Okay ba? Naintindihan nyo ba? I guess, basic para sa inyo, no? There you go. Okay? There you go. You got it. Simple as that. Again, transparency, fair value gap, sa pool, short. Liquidity, that's your take profit or the origin. Simple as that. Again, look at here. Sa pool, that's a pullback, down. Get it? Simple as that. Now, let me show it to you. Okay? Pakita natin sa inyo kung meron ba talagang ganun. Baka mamaya nag-iimbento lang ako. Diba? Baka mamaya invento lang tayo. So now, let's try to see it. Okay? Let's try to see it. So check. Saan tayo mag-check? Dito. Yan. Market structure. There you go. What is this? Oh! Ano to? Magic? Nyek! Sir Kim! Nyek! Failed! Sasabihin ng iba. Nyek! Failed! Sumobra! Stop loss kami dyan, Sir Kim. Diba? Is that questionable? Nyek! O sa TikTok, mali ang tinuro. Bash, 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 bash. Okay? I told you, sa mga taong hindi nanonood dito sa live or taong hindi talaga seryoso dito, I'll make it difficult for you to understand kung ano yung mga sinasabi namin dito. Okay? Now, ano to? Sige total, nag-skip kayo ng process, di ba? So definitely masasagot nyo kung ano to. Ano to? Ano to? Well, tama kayo, that's MTB, which is meant to be broken. Pero, what is this one? Ano to? Di ba? Ano yung magic? Ano yung magic? Ganyan na lang. So, that's an order block. Yan ang order block. Okay? That's an order block. Di ba, tinuruan kayo ng mentor nyo kung paano mag-position sa order block? Then do it. Type Y na chat if you get what I mean. If naiintindihan nyo na ngayon. See? There you go. Feel free to screenshot everything. Feel free to learn everything here for free. See? Naiintindihan nyo ba? Let me know. May naiiwan pa ba? May hindi pa ba nakakagets? Fair value gap is meant to be broken. Believe me. Lupit. Gusto mo makakita ng mas malupit pa? Okay? Type X in a chat, guys, if gusto nyo makakita ng mas malupit. Type X in a chat, guys, if gusto nyo makakita ng mas malupit pa dyan. Okay? That's the deal. I'll show it to you. Check this one. There we go. This is the 9 pages of how to identify the tradable fair value gap using order block, imbalance, and liquidity. Now, keynote. In finding the right fair value gap, you must find first the daily bias movement to know where the market will move. Always remember, order block is near at sell side liquidity or displacement. Also, you must all know how to spot change of character in a market movement. Fair value gap, also known as FVG, also known as fair value gap, is showing after change of character. Now, check this one. Look for sell side. Do you have a sell side liquidity? Okay. Sell side liquidity. Next. Hanap daw tayo ng order block near at sell side liquidity. Nasaan dito ang order block? Ba't hindi kayo makasagot ngayon? Akala ko ba marunong kayo mag-order block? Hindi nyo ba alam na maraming example ng order block? May candle made order block. So now, look for order block near at sell side liquidity. There you go. Candle made order block. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na may ganun palang order block. See? Next. After mo makita yon, hanapin mo yung change of character. Nasaan ang change of character? Then, the fair value gap will show up. Again, find the sell side liquidity. Tignan mo kung may order block ba doon. Kung wala, you're good to go. Find the change of character. Do you have a fair value gap? Then, the fair value gap will show up after change of character. Nasaan ang order block? Nasaan ang fair value gap? Ayun, Change of character. Pwedeng dito. There you go. Sa pull. Then short. Okay? Again, the yellow point is your fair value gap. Sa pull. Short. Is this an order block? Yes. Is this a clean traffic? See? That's a clean traffic. There you go. Next. The final tip for position on fair value gap, SL is above the fair value gap or near the OB. It depends on your time frame. For TP, sabi ko dito, kung gusto mo daw mag-take profit using the fair value gap, hahanapin mo daw is liquidity, order block, or imbalance. Again, kung gusto mo daw gumamit ng fair value gap ng trading strategy mo, kung gusto mo maghanap ng take profit, then definitely go find the liquidity, imbalance, or order block sa sell side or dun sa left side mo or sa areas dun sa gilid or sa market structure or dun sa origin ng presyo. Hanapin mo dun. Take a look at this one. Sell side liquidity, order block, change of character, pwede nga dito, fair value gap, short, take profit. What is that? Imbalance. Type Y in the chat, guys, if you get it. See? Gets nyo na? Gets nyo na ba? Let me know. Type Y in the chat if na-gets nyo na yan. See? Simple as that. Okay? So, hindi nyo makukuha to or hindi nyo makikita to kahit sa ang internet. Okay? Ginawa ko to para lang sa mentoring students. Okay? Para lang sa mga nagpa-mentor and sa mga mini-mentoran namin. Binibigyan namin sila ng file na ganito. Okay? Para reviewer nila yan. Okay? Mahilig kasi ako gumawa ng mga ganitong PDF file na konti lang yung laman, pero napakadaming information sa loob na pwede nyo makuha na ng aral. Another example, more example. Take profit is based on previous order block, imbalance, or liquidity. Time frame settings, 15 minutes. Sell side liquidity, may order block ba? Kung wala, then wala. Fair value gap, change of character, short, take profit, liquidities. See? Simple as that. Next, lower time frame analysis, 5 minutes. Buy side, sell side liquidity. Actually, buy side to, mali yung nagay ko. Buy side liquidity, there you go. Change of character, oh my god. Is that an order block? Yes. Fair value gap, pwede ka mag-short, take profit below. Next, bullish example in 15 minutes time frame, sell side liquidity, change of character. Do you see an order block right around below? Wala naman. Kung meron, then definitely pwede mo ilagay yon. Pero meron tayong fair value gap, there you go. Pak. Take profit saan? Liquidity or order block. See? Simple as that. Note for proper stop loss. Fair value gap strategy gives you the best profit percentage and low risk if played properly. Stop loss is often set below nor or above the fair value gap. Just adjust it in a little bit, give it a little bit of fair gap on it, just like the example below. Kung magpo-position kayo sa fair value gap, hindi ang stop loss nyo hindi dun sa labas ng box, which is maglagay lang kayo ng konting gap. Okay? Doon. And then, let it fly. Or pwede nyo nga ilagay sa mga ganito eh. Yan o. Or dyan. Okay? Next. If meron naman kayo, in some cases, if fair value gap is near at order block, then the right stop loss for that will be the edge of order block. Ooh! Gets nyo ba? Naintindihan nyo ba? Let me know nga, may nakaintindi na ba? Gets ba? Again, ulitin ko In some cases, if yung fair value gap daw is malapit sa order block, then yung pinakatamang stop loss daw is sa order block, hindi sa fair value gap. Type Y na chat if alam nyo na ngayon, if naiintindihan nyo na ngayon. See? Basic. Basic ba? I guess basic sa inyo yan. Diba? Just like the example here. Buy side liquidity, fair value gap. There you go. Change of character. Fair value gap. Order block. Pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung stop loss nyo. Short. There you go. Short. Stop loss. Order block. Short. See? Get it. Simple as that. Mahirap ba yun? So now, balik tayo dito sa drawing natin kanina. Is fair value gap is meant to be broken? Yes. Is that an order block? Yes. Where's your position? Here, or somewhere here. Bahala ka, wala kang pakialam. Ang stop loss mo will be here. Short it out. See? Napawaw si Sir Dan. Congrats. Okay na ba? Goods na ba? Pangalawang mentoring pa lang, pero feel ko, ang galing-galing ko na. See? Now, ngayon nyo sa akin sabihin na hindi nag-work yan. Go find it in your charts, then let me know kung hindi nag-work sa inyo. Pero everything I teach here is working. Live. Okay? There you go. See? Diba? Simple as that. Ngayon lang gumana utak ko. Diba? So, good. Ang galing, sir. The best. Diba? May natutunan kayo. At least may natutunan kayo. At least, I'm not wasting your time. At least, hindi ko sinasayang yung oras nyo. Okay? Yun lang yun. Ito lang yung para sa akin. Okay? So, now, I believe naiintindihan nyo na ngayon. Okay? I believe naiintindihan nyo na ngayon. Nakikita ko na ang future. Oh shit, backtest to mamaya sa akin. Yan yung gusto ko. Now, if magba-backtest kayo, definitely, pwede nyo i-tweet yan dito. And kung gusto nyo ako i-tag, then definitely let me know so I can see kung nasa na yung progress nyo. Okay? A lot of people trade it. A lot of people have it. A lot of people yung nakinig sa space namin kagabi, challenge accepted na po, coach. See? Yan ang challenge ko sa kanila. Chart only 5 coins. Wala akong pakialam kung 10 yan. Gusto ko 5 lang. Okay? Gusto ko 5 lang. Wala akong pakialam kung 20 yung gusto mong i-chart. 5 lang gusto ko. Huwag mo pakitaan ng kung ano ng coins mo. Huwag mo pakitaan ng Lodi coin na tinita mo. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu na coin mo. Gusto ko 5 lang. And gusto ko Bitcoin, Solana, isang coin na kung gusto nyo. Then S&P 500 and gold. Tapos. Okay? Tapos. Binigyan ko na nga kayo ng isang coin na gusto nyo eh. So, kung gusto nyo isang coin, Shiba Inu, then definitely go for it. Pero kung sabi gusto nyo, Bitcoin, Solana, yan yung dalawang crypto coin. Yung isa bonus, kung anong gusto nyo. And itong dalawa, given to. Dapat S&P 500 and gold. Okay? So, yun. Okay? So, definitely, yun lang yung kailangan ko. Okay? So, now, tapos na ba tayo? Definitely, hindi pa, guys. Another example. Change of character, fair value gap, order block. See? Long. Okay. Here's my last tip on fair value gap. Hanapin nyo bias. Find the market structure. Always remember, a run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. Master the change of character and break of structure. Order block is not a position guide here. Always remember, order block is changing state of delivery. Fair value gap is showing after change of character. Lastly, fair value gap is always near at order block, sell side liquidity, and support and resistance. Apply all of those and backtest everything before putting real money into your trades. Thank you so much for reading this paper. I hope you learned a lot today. Enjoy backtesting. Type Y in the chat if you're good in finding the right fair value gap or tradable fair value gap using order block, imbalance, and liquidity. There you go. Busog na ba kayo? Busog na ba kayo? See? There you go. And everything here is for free. Wala kayong babayaran dito. Diba? Basic. Diba? So, that's the fair value gap. Now, nakikita nyo to? Let me show it to you. Dalawang file lang to. Okay? Dalawang file lang to. Isang 4 pages, isang 9 pages. Pero tignan nyo naman kung gaano karami yung natutunan nyo. Okay ba? 9 to 4 pages will change your perspective in seeing how the market works. Did I prove you something that is working? Did I prove you? Sa mga nagsasabing hindi nag-work yan, go watch the live. We're performing that live. Pina-perform namin yan live. Okay? Exactly. Diba? So, yun lang. So, I hope naiintindihan nyo kung paano gamitin yon. Ganun kasimple lang yon. And I'll give you more examples. Okay? Diba? So, darating tayo dyan sa mga, pa-discuss naman ng valid, invalid order block. Darating tayo dyan. Di tayo pwede mag-skip ng learning, ng process. Okay? Di tayo pwede mag-skip. That's why a lot of people failed. That's why a lot of people lose a lot of trades because they skip the process. They skip the process. Hindi porket nagtanong tayo, paano po yung harmonics, paano po ba gamitin yan. Hindi pa nga tayo tapos dito eh. Tapos mag-move na tayo doon. So, tapusin muna natin to. Okay, kompletuhin natin. Okay? Hindi ba na-imagine kaya ang dami yung mali, kaya ang dami yung talo sa trading kasi hindi nyo nga inaral ng price action. Which is price action nga ang pinakaunang way nyo para matuto mag-trade. Pero hindi nyo ginawa. Kasi nakita nyo, doon sa, kung saan sa internet, kailangan daw pala, may mga ganito ganyan sa screen. Kailangan daw maraming quotations dyan sa screen nyo. Dapat may mga ganito daw kayo. Ano ba yun? Ano yung sabi dun sa mga napapanood nyo? Kailangan daw may ganito kayo. Yan. Para daw marunong kayo mag-trade. Mukha daw kayong malakas pag ganyan. Diba? Mukha daw kayong pro pag ganyan. Tapos nasa Starbucks kayo, nakaganyan kayo. Tapos, ang gagawin nyo, kukuha kayo ng papel, no? Ganyan yan eh. Kukuha kayo ng papel. Tapos, nasa Starbucks yan, no? Gaganyan yan. Oh shit. Okay. Kailangan kasi pag nagtatrade, dapat nasa Starbucks eh. Tapos, ganyan. Okay, may market structure tayo dito. Tapos, lumulubog yung presyo. Definitely, may news ngayon. Ano ba ngayon? London. Oh shit, London pala ngayon. Yan. Okay. Ngayon, may trend line. Puta, may trend line, guys. Ayun, oh. May trend line dito. Gago, men. Gamitan ko to ng ano. Tangina. Gagamitan ko to ng ganito. Yan. Yan. Tapos, tinuruan ako nun eh. Kailangan daw may gun box eh. Ayan, para ano. Para mukhang bagyo. Mukhang si Mang Tani. Ayan. Ngayon, kailangan natin ng area of responsibility. Siyempre, papasok na sa par yung bagyo eh. Baka mamaya, hindi natin mamalayan. Tumama na sa Isabela yan. Diba? Gaganyan yan. Gaganyan sa Starbucks. Ay, uy. Siyempre, may mga babae sa likod, diba? Siyempre, kailangan mukha kang maangas. Yan. Kailangan focus ka dyan, guys. Kailangan focus ka. Tapos, kailangan may, ano ka, di ba? May risk-reward ratio ka. 1:1 dapat, yan. Ratio. Yan. Tapos, ganito lang pala yung dinrowing mo, no? The whole time na nasa Starbucks ka, ito lang pala alam mo. Di ba? So, hindi ganon. Hindi ganyan ang trading. Okay? Hindi ganyan. I will teach you how to trade na kahit napakawalang candlestick ka, ay kahit pa walang drawing yan, kaya nyo mag-trade on your own. Okay? Huwag kayo maniwala na kapag trader kayo, lagi kayo nasa Starbucks, lagi kayo nabili ng Lamborghini, ganon. Hindi ganon ang trading. Ganito ang trading, boring. Boring ang trading. Yan ang honest. Yan ang totoo. Napaka-boring ng trading. So, wag nyo sasabihin sa akin kapag nagte-trade kayo, lagi kayo nasa dealership ng mga kotse, bumibili kayo ng mga kotse-kotse, araw-araw. Hindi ganon. Hindi ganon. Okay? Hindi ganon. So, huwag kayo maniwala sa mga taong nagsasabi nun, sa mga nakikita nyo sa internet na ganon. Hindi ganon ang trading. Okay? Just being honest here, right now. Hindi ganon ang trading. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung anong trading, ito ang totoong trading. 2 hours and 3 hours. Napaka-boring. Kaya nga nagla-live na lang ako eh, para matanggal yung boringness eh. Okay? Yan. Nakikita nyo, naghihintay kami ng 2 hours. Ilan lang natitrade namin? 2, 1, 3. So, now, sasabihin mo sa akin, lagi kami nasa Starbucks, sasabihin mo, lagi kami bumibiling kotse. No. Okay? So, I want you to understand, ganun ang trading, boring. Boring ang trading, okay? Napaka-boring yan. Hindi madali yan. So, ayun. So, I hope naiintindihan nyo. Okay? I hope naiintindihan nyo lahat. So, now, let's go to S&P 500. Let's check the 15 minutes time frame to 30 minutes time frame of S&P 500. There you go. Market structure. Again, apply nyo lahat. Market structure. There you go. Ano to? Nakita nyo? Ano yan? So, hindi ko na sasabihin kung ano yan. Alam nyo na yan. Ano to? Ano to? Drawing? Ano to? Design? Design to? Ano kaya to? Oh, ano meron dito? Design? Ano to? Design lang din? Ano to? Oh. Nakita nyo ngayon? Is it more clear? Type Y na chat. Gets nyo na ba? Type Y na chat. See? Basic. Pinahirapan ko ba kayo? Definitely hindi. Definitely hindi. Type Y na chat. If naintindihan nyo. See? Basic sa inyo. Di ba mahirap? Pinahirapan natin kasi yung sarili natin nung una. Kung ano-ano inaral natin. Kaya ngayon, naguguluhan kayo. Okay? Tandaan nyo, wala namang mali kung ano yung inaral nyo sa strategy before. It's just, in-skip nyo yung process. Okay? Again, walang masama kung nag-aral kayo ng harmonics or Fibonacci, okay? Liquidities, imbalances, smart money concepts, Elliott wave, kahit ano pang gusto nyo strategy, walang problema doon. It's just, may in-skip kayong process which is price action. Hindi nyo alam kung paano mag-work ang price action and algorithm ng market. Yun ang kulang nyo. Okay? Yun ang kulang nyo. Hindi nyo alam kung paano mag-trade ng price action. Yan ang kulang nyo. Okay? So, I hope naiintindihan nyo. I hope nagigets nyo na lahat ng to. Okay? I hope naiintindihan nyo lahat. So, ganun lang kasimple guys. So, again, for the sake of mentoring, for the sake of this chart, let me show it to you one more time. Market structure. Break of structure or change of character. Fair value gap. That's an order block right around here. This is a fair value gap right around here. They gave you 1, 2, 3, 4 chances of getting into the trade. Then long position the market. Again, take a look. There you go. Up. Buy side liquidity right around here. Is that taken? Yep, that's taken. There you go. Check out this one. Move to 30 minutes time frame. Take a look at that one. Again, positioning area, long position. That's it. See? That's it. Take highs. Take buy sides. Simple as that. Okay? Simple as that. Now, let's check out Bitcoin. So, see, oh my God. So, as you can see here, tapos na ba ako doon? Magkano na profit ko doon? Grabe yun, ha? Fresh natin ito. Buti na lang, nag-trail stop ako dito. Trail stop ba ako o TP hit? So, let me get my phone. Oh! See? Profit! TP hit! Get the fuck out of here, Bitcoin! TP hit! See? Type Y na chat, guys. Panalo ko doon. Celebrate natin yung panalo ko. Ako yung panalo. TP hit bago mag-dump. What the heck? What the heck? What? See? Congrats, coach. Thank you so much. Am I proving it to you right? If I proving it to you live na nag-work lahat yan. See? Simple as that. Dang. How much is my profit? Yun ang tanong. That's $192 profit for me. 192. I will not put it in our Excel kasi hindi ko naman siya live na to-trade sa inyo. This is London session trade. So, $192, not bad. Not bad. 192, not bad. So, congratulations sa mga nag-trade din dyan. Okay, sa mga nakakita niyan, then congratulations sa inyo. See? Sapul lang, oh. Tinamaan lang yung TP ko. 19318.0. Sapul lang. Then, hook. Bye-bye. Diba? So, good. Diba? Exactly as predicted. So, ano na si tingin nyo mangyayari kay Bitcoin? Tingnan natin. Let's go back to 30 minutes time frame. Now, take a look at this one. Again, reviewin natin ngayon. Tingnan natin kung gagana yung tinuro ko sa inyo. Kasi sabi nyo, di ba? Di naman nag-work yan eh. Real time. Puro naman theory lang sinasabi ko. Okay? So now, take a look at the 30-minute time frame of Bitcoin. Hindi natin kinayang kunin yung take highs. That's the buy side liquidity. Long. Nope. Pero at least na-take profit natin siya sa sell side or sa buy side liquidity. Which is good. Okay? Now, what is that one? Is that creating a market structure downside? Is it reversing? Yes. Do you have a fair value gap right around here? Yes. Do you have a fair value gap right around here? Definitely. May fair value gap ka dito. Ano ba to? Yan. Okay? Now, what's your bias? Is it short or long? Let me know. Type nyo dyan sa comment section. Definitely, some of the people here know kung ano na mangyari dito. Pero, gusto ko lang malaman, ano yan? Is it a long or a short? Yan ang gusto kong malaman. Kasi ngayon pa lang, dapat may tiwala na kayo sa sarili nyo. Dapat ngayon pa lang, aware na kayo sa mga decision nyo sa buhay. Exactly. That's a shorting position. Now, how can we tell that the price will go short? That's the question. Yan ang tanong. Paano mo masasabi ngayon sa akin na short yan? Yes, ang dali-dali sabihin na i-short yan. Pero paano yun? Paano mo gagawin yun? Ano nga hanapin? Tingnan natin kung may makakasagot. Ano nga hanapin? There you go. Not change of character, guys. Ang change of character is nangyari na dito pa lang. That's a break of structure, guys. Puro BOS na yan. Ang hahanapin nyo na ngayon dyan is MS. The MS. Yun na po ang hahanapin nyo dyan. MS na yan. Break of structure na lahat yan eh. It's a market structure all alone. At a run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. Diba? MS. So now, let's move on to the 15 minutes time frame. Do you see the MS? Type Y in the chat, guys, if you get it. There you go. Congratulations sa inyo. That's it. We're done. Tapos. Basic. That's it. That's how MS, market structure, change of character, liquidity works. That's not a replay. This is not a replay. This is live. You're seeing it here live. That's the MS. So now, Sir Kim, paano kami magpo-position dyan? Saan ang shorting namin dyan? Ano hihintayin? O again, hinintay natin yung MS ma-break. Na-break na. Paano tayo magpo-position ngayon? Anong hihintayin? May isa pa tayong hihintayin. Ano yun? Herbert. Correct. KCC. Kim Candle Confirmation, which is the playbook. Top wick, bottom wick, short. Now, hindi ko na kayo sasabihan kung saan yung area yung short yan. Definitely, bibigyan ko na ng signal dito yung mga hindi talaga willing matuto. Alam nyo yan. Kayo ngayon na mag-trade yan. Kaya nyo sagutin yan. Huwag nyo silang bigyan ng idea kung saan ang shorting position dyan. Pahirapan nyo sila. Hindi nila magigets yan. Pahihirapan natin sila. The KCC. Okay? There you go, guys. Congratulations. If makukuha nyo yan, then definitely feel free. Feel free to trade that one. Congratulations. At least nakita nyo na ngayon pa lang. Okay? Now, sige. Bibigyan ko kayo ng isa pang challenge. Sir Kim, putik. Fair value gap to. Hindi nyo ba naisip yun? Fair value gap to. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng mag-bounce lang yan dyan, tas gumanon. Tama? Tama ba ako dun? Diba? Pwede yun. Pwedeng mangyari yun. Bounce lang yan dito, then sasabog. Sir Kim, sabi mo long. Sabi mo short yan. Wala na, magagawa na ng TikTok yan. Popost na tayo sa TikTok yan. Kasi mali daw turo natin. O, di ba? Paano mo ngayon sasabihin sa akin na short and long yan? Yes, correct, nakadepende. Paano nakadepende? You'll find MSMS. Okay? Hanap ka lang ng MS. Nasaan ba ang MS? Actually, 15 minutes time frame of Bitcoin. Kitang-kita na natin yung MS right around here. There you go. That's the MS resting here. So, wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Kung gusto mong i-short yan dito, basta butasin niya to, then definitely short mo siya dito. Okay? Problema ba yon? If yung candle naman natin lumubog dyan, nag-open above, then long mo. Pakialam ko. Nandiyan ang liquidity, oh. Yan, long mo dyan. Mahirap ba? Now, sige, pagdadaliin ko lalo sa inyo. That's the MS. Again, do we have an MS below? Oh my God, that's the MS. Now, if yung candlestick natin, bubutasin niya, mag-opening dito. Oh my God, you know what to do. You know the drill. See? That's it. Type Y in the chat, guys, if you get what I mean. That's the MS with you guys. Congratulations. There you go. You know how to trade it, the fair value gap, change of character, break of structure, liquidity, market structure, and everything else. See? Ganun lang. So, kaya huwag nyo sasabihin sa akin hindi nag-work. Maybe hindi ka lang nag-work. Or maybe hindi lang nag-work sa'yo kasi nga ayaw mo mag-work sa'yo. Diba? Yun lang yan. That's your 2 option. Okay? There you go. Congratulations. See? So now, we're out of time. Okay, we're out of time. But, masyado nang marami kasi yung naturo natin for today. Hindi tayo sumakto dun sa schedule nang dapat may tuturo ko din dapat sa inyo yung yung 3 driver prior to the change of character. Yun yung ituturo ko next time. The 3 driver. Okay? The 3 driver. So, ituturo ko naman sa inyo yung the 3 driver rule or prior to the change of character. So, yun yung next topic natin. Pero for now, I will let you sink in. I will let you sit here and mag-sink in dapat sa utak nyo lahat ng mulan to. Okay? Watch the replay. Panoorin nyo yung replay. Comment nyo dito, Lodi Coin, kung hanggang ngayon, nanonood pa din kayo. Okay? Comment nyo dito, Lodi Coin, kung nanonood pa rin kayo, para sa mga nagre-replay. Okay? So, ganun masimple. Okay? So, I believe, yung mga manonood ng replay dito, tawa ng tawa mamaya yan, kasi nagbiruan tayo kanina. Diba? So, hindi kayo mabuboard. Okay? Hindi kayo mabuboard. Okay? So, tuturo ko next time will be the 3 driver prior to the change of character. So, Lodi Coin. Congrats. Okay? So now, you have a time to reflect, to change everything. Okay? Just give me how many days? Just give me few days, few months. And let me prove to you, everything will go according to your plan. Basta tapusin mo to. Okay? Tapusin mo to. And actually, ngayon pa lang, I'm proving it to you na madami na kayo natututunan. And guess what? This is the episode 2 pa lang. Wow! Episode 2 pa lang tayo, guys. And matagal pa tayo magsasama. Episode 2 pa lang tayo, guys. Episode 2. Okay ba? Siksik ba yung knowledge? Let me know. Okay ba? Let me know. So, every 6 PM po ba live nyo? Medyo busy rin kasi ako sa work. Waiting lang ako sa live mo. 6:30 po ang live ko. 6:30 po. Siksik. Siksik naman daw pala yung knowledge na nabigyan natin ngayon. So, I'm so happy na naturuan ko kayo ngayon. May nakamit kayo ngayon. Okay? Na may natulungan kayo ngayon. Okay? I hope. Sana. Dumami pa kayo. And yeah, thank you so much. I really do appreciate kay Sir Chef Marbs sa nag-donate. Thank you so much, Chef Marbs, sa donation mo. Nakita ko yun. So, thank you so much, Chef Marbs. So, ayan. Again, recap. Ano yung mga tinuro ko ngayon? Recap lang tayo. Ano yung mga tinuro ko ngayon? May mga notes na ba kayo dyan? Di ba? May mga notes na ba kayo? So, ano yung mga tinuro ko? Type nyo yan dyan. Kung ano yung mga tinuro natin. So, starting from day 1 to day 2 natin. So, ano yung mga naturo natin? Di ba? Tingnan natin. The BSLQ, SSLQ, liquidity. Oy, thank you so much, Moshi sa donation mo, no? Thank you so much. Diba? Daming tao sa live. Yeah, daming tao sa live. Yeah, liquidity. Liquidity, tinuro ko na. Fair value gap, MS. Yep, there you go. Okay. There you go. Dumadami na. Yep. Okay. Again, tinuruan ko kayo kung paano mag-risk management, leveraging, paano hindi abuse ang leveraging. And then, ayun, the basic of liquidity market structure, all alone liquidity is the same area of Fibonacci. Maganda mag-base kung saan nag-base ang presyo. Market structure, change of character, BOS, fair value gap showing after change of character is malapit sa what? Ang dami pala natutunan sa Sir Rafael ngayon. So, congratulations. See? Again, a run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. And tandaan nyo, may nadagdagan na naman ha. May nadagdag na naman sa quotation nyo, which is what? Fair value gap is showing after change of character. Meron na kayong dalawang quotation. A run in a higher time frame is a trend on a lower time frame. Fair value gap is showing after change of character. There you go. Congratulations. Wow. Congrats, guys. So, there you go. Congrats. See? Kaya blessful ka, coach. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, ayun lang naman. Ang dami-dami, sir. Ang dami, no? So, kaya dapat mag-take notes na lang kayo. Okay, dapat mag-take notes na lang kayo. So, para makatch up nyo lahat ng mga na-topic natin. So, overload na ako, coach. O, see, kaya nga hindi ko rin minsan ino-overload yung utak nyo. So, pipigilan natin, okay? Titimplahin natin para mas matuto kayo. Hindi po pwedeng sinusubo lahat sa inyo ng isang araw lang. Okay? May hirapan kayo na. Kahit na madali ko siya i-explain and all that, still, ang tanong, makaka-catch up nyo pa ba? Kasi marami sa inyo nahihiya magsabi. Diba? So, ayan. Okay? Again, arigato. Thank you so much for watching the live, guys. I really do appreciate you coming by here. That's it. That's the episode 2. Type Y in the chat. Massively type Y in the chat if you get yung topic natin for today. Thank you so much sa donation. Thank you so much sa donation. You don't have to. Okay, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-donate. Huwag na kayo mag-donate as much as possible. Pero I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching the live. I really do appreciate it. Grabe. Diba? Ang dami. So, marami pa tayong babantayan. Okay, marami pa kayong babantayan sa presyo. So, now, trade every single fair value gap na makikita nyo. Pero guess what? Dapat meron kayo ng dalawa, ha? Change of character and break of structure. That's it. Hindi nyo kailangan gumamit ng Fibonacci. Liquidity is the key. Okay? Liquidity is the key. That's it. Liquidity is the key. So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great night so far. It's Tuesday. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Anong meron bukas? Anong meron bukas? So, may news ba tayo bukas? Wala naman. Pero, yeah. Live trading na po tayo bukas. Okay? Live trading tayo bukas. Thank you so much. Again, comment nyo lang dito sa live yung Lodi Coin. Okay? Lodi Coin. So, yeah. Thank you so much din sa mga nag-like ng live natin. I really do appreciate it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are having a great night so far. That's it. Bye-bye. Peace out.